If you haven't seen the last handful of videos, here's some of the stuff you missed.
Mike, what time is it?
There it is, completed. Now I just gotta figure out where I'm gonna put this. Let's see here. Wait, I've been around on this thing for 5 minutes and I'm still right here. Where? No, not quite. Welcome back to the Average Mike Show. On this episode, I'm building this Jeep for my son. Yeah, I'm gonna read some pictures and I'm gonna get back to you in a minute, okay? Got it all stripped down now. And this is more or less what it could look like when it's done. Thanks for making a knife.
Yes. Con permiso. Con permiso.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Alright, now I gotta figure out now. Man, this is a lot more parts than I was expecting it to be for this thing.
Come on.
Okay, looks like the rear axle's going in first. Yeah. Slide that onto there. And I take this.
Oh, like.
Take the wiring. And this little motor into here. Tires. Yeah, this one.
Oh, you didn't sound this. Okay. What is find
Put
dollars?
the bolt on. I'll show you in the second on the other one how the bolt goes in.
Find.
Okay, give me the other one.
Okay.
Yeah, this one. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now here's this one.
Okay, gonna help you.
Okay. Little washer goes on here. And the nut goes on the end of that.
Whoa!
Alright, we're not going to tighten it down all the way just yet, just in case there's something else that goes on here.
Tenemos esta ventana. Mira. Papa.
Yeah, tighten up these nuts a little bit. Yeah, you got a little windshield, huh?
Yes. Whoa!
Alright, that's more or less tightened up the way it needs to be, maybe a little bit more.
Lemon more. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Alright, and we put these little caps in. There we go. Now we put the front axle setup together.
Whoa!
Look at that massive front axle setup.
Pa, mira. Tenemos estos. Pa.
Yeah.
Ching. Ching, 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 ching. Ching, 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 ching.
There's a little hole there in the shaft.
Ching.
I just run the bolt through, I'm guessing. So I don't really see much else in terms of options, and just screw that in.
What?
Yeah, so I could drive this with a remote control.
Of course. See, that's it.
Yeah, you can see that way better from here. Yeah, just twist that off. Anton, need the other tire. Yeah. Thank you. I put this little weird looking spacer thing in here. Remember, one washer stays on there.
What is this?
That's, slide that tire on. Put that washer in there. I don't know, hopefully you've seen it. Put that nut on. Tighten it up.
Mira.
Yeah.
Mira, ma. Mira, pa.
Whoa, what's going on?
Sí cabe en esta cama.
Okay. You gonna sleep there?
Yes.
Yeah. Good. Yeah, look at that. Boy's gonna be rolling.
Oh, yes. You got it? Got it?
Yeah, we got that much done. Oh, wait. There it is. Got it now. Man, look at that.
Oh, yes.
Oh, wait.
Pa.
There, I got it now. Okay, that part's done. Figure out how this goes, though, okay? Oh, I gotta take this screw out of the side of the steering wheel.
I need some. Whoa, look at the buttons. There's. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is the thing.
What? Oh my gosh.
Okay. Pero mira, este
Okay.
es de este. Este abajo es de este. Oh.
Okay. You line it up with the that last hole in the shaft. And we're gonna put this screw back through it. So the screws, and one shield is just kind of snap into here like this.
Oh yes, over there. Okay. Oh, there's also
And
pen.
we're on to the next part.
Pa,
Yeah.
there's also pen.
Yeah. Yeah, they do, huh?
Yes, mira. What is this?
Yeah. Huh?
Oh, this one. Oh.
Mirrors. Man, this boy even got some mirrors on this thing. Okay. Now comes the easy part. Hooking up some batteries. Yeah, that was easy. Yeah, that'd be close enough. What's next?
What?
Oh,
What?
these things.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, little covers for the motor. There it is, done inside there.
Mira, pa.
What's going on, boy? Oh yeah, got your sandals, huh?
Yes. Son unas chanclas, okay.
Mm-hmm.
What is this?
This goes on back here.
Oh, see.
Alright, and wait. Yeah, there we go. Just put these things on.
You good? Oh, yes. And now?
These little lights. Watch. Yeah, these go up here.
Oh.
Can you do it? Not backwards. There you go.
Oh.
Careful. Don't break it. You need help? You need help?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Now it's time to put the seat in. Look at that seat, huh?
What?
Boy. There you go. Yeah. Do it again. Yeah. Get out the way.
Get out of my way, my way. Oh, awesome.
And you're driving backwards now. Yeah. Whoa, Anton. Look.
Oh my
Come
gosh.
here. Come here. Look. Come here. Look. Look at that. The lights come on. Wow.
What?
These, look.
Monday.
Right here.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, the lights are... Well, there you have it, folks. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Actually, there's a smiley face with some broken teeth down in the lower right corner. Just click on that, you're automatically subscribed to my channel. You like the video? Smash that thumbs up for me. Looks like my son just hit the fence back there. On the side of the house. Cool little Jeep though, huh? Like the video, smash that thumbs up for me. I appreciate that. Hey, don't forget to hit the share button. Now, if there's anything you want to see in future videos, got any suggestions, leave that in the comments. Till next time, thanks for rolling with Average Mike.